Can natural oil be a remedy for diabetes management? Well, yes, it can be. Natural oil suggested by a grandmother for food recipes and beauty care are now being used in healthcare as well. They are useful as an add-on therapy along with medication for many diseases. Diabetes is one such chronic disease that requires constant medication. Medications for diabetes can control blood sugar levels if taken appropriately. However, they can have a multitude of side effects and also burn a hole in your pocket. I am going to discuss one such natural remedy for diabetes management. It is Kalonji. Yes, Kalonji is proven by scientists for its amazing benefits in diabetes management. So, if you are looking for a natural remedy for diabetes management, then you can trust Nature Sure Kalonji Oil. Nature Sure Kalonji Oil, made from black cumin seeds, is a natural oil known to be very beneficial in management of diabetes. Experts say Kalonji oil improves metabolism, lowers blood sugar and helps in prevention and management of diabetes. The best part about this is there are no side effects at all because it's all natural. Here's why Kalonji oil should be the choice of natural medicine for your diabetes treatment. Kalonji oil or black seed oil is technically called Nigella sativa. It has been famous in traditional holistic medicine system for over 2000 years as Kalonji powders or oil. Antioxidant properties. One of the main constituents found in Nature Sure Kalonji oil is thymocyanine. Antioxidants reduces diabetes complications. Thymocyanine is shown to have antioxidant properties as well as to decrease cholesterol level. Doctors suggest that this compound not only helps treat diabetes but also helps in the treatment of other serious conditions. Improves body metabolism and helps with weight loss. Obesity or excess body weight is one of the major factors that contribute to the risk of developing diabetes. Thus, losing the excess body weight is necessary to prevent or manage diabetes, along with gymming and walking. Just having a portion of Nature Sure Kalonji oil can help you lose weight. Research says among all the global plant-based remedies, black seed oil was found to be the most effective treatment for obesity. Research trials also showed that Kalonji oil reduced waist circumference and body mass index, that's BMI. And guess what? This natural oil has all these weight loss benefits without any serious side effects. Balances cholesterol. Managing cholesterol level has become crucial not only for controlling diabetes but also for many other serious diseases. An animal experiment proved that Kalonji oil helps in the treatment of high cholesterol. Therefore, it appears that Kalonji oil can help manage high cholesterol as well as high blood sugar levels. So, to work towards reducing your prescription list of anti-diabetic medicine, make Nature Sure Kalonji Oil your natural medicine for diabetes. Nature Sure's Kalonji Oil is 100% pure and cold pressed and works as a natural solution for diabetes management. There are a lot of fake and mixed oil available in the market. You make sure that you buy 100% pure Kalonji oil.
You can buy Nature Sure Kalonji Oil from the site www.naturesure.com. Or you can also buy from your favorite online store like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, Paytm, Shopclues or any other. Everteen, the complete feminine intimate hygiene expert.